Okay, gonna take a look at the assessment. So go over it on your own at home and let me know what you think you did well, what you think you did not great on. You can redo things, all that good stuff. So a woven necklace costs $2.40 to make. Fill in the table to show how much it would cost to make 16. So I need to know 16. Okay. You don't need to use all the boxes. Well, the other one below, just use as many as you need to leave the rest. Okay, so if I think about this question first, if this was $2.16, it would be $32. If I'm making an estimation, that was $2. It's kind of close to $2.50. So a way to think about that is what would be $3? 3 into 16, that's what, double and then plus another one. So $32.48. So my answer is going to be somewhere in between $32 and $48. And if I think midway, so this is 16, midway would be 8. So my answer should be around $40. It's going to be a little less than $40. Okay, so now I've thought about that. Let me think about how I'm going to get there. I could do by 10. That's an easy way to start to get $24. But then to get to 6, would I go 1, 1, 1? That doesn't make sense. Ooh, 16, that seems like it's a double of something. It's a double. Half of 16 is 8. Half of 8 is 4. Half of 4 is 2. Okay, that seems to be the... So I'm going to do that. I'm going to go 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. So I should have my answer by then. Just by doubling, so I've made my life much easier. Double of 240 is $4.80. If I double 480, I know that double of 4 is 8. Double of 80 cents is $1.60, so that would be $9.60. I'm going to double this. So 9 doubled is 18. 0.60 double is 1.2, so that'd be 18 plus 1.2, which is $19.20. And then I'm going to double that for 16. Oh, that's a good way to think about it. If I first check the decimal, if it's less than 50, less than 0.5, I only need to double. I can go ahead and take the double of this number because it's the double of this is not going to be more than 1. I hope that makes sense. Because here, if we look here, I just doubled the 2 to a 4, doubled the 40 to 80. I didn't have to worry about changing this to double plus 1. But here, since this was 80, I knew I was going to have, it was going to be more than 8. It was going to have to be 9. Okay. So again, I look at that 0.2, that's going to be 0.40, so I don't need to worry about adding anything to my double 19, and that's going to be $38.40. So $38.40. That's right around that $40 mark, so I feel pretty comfortable with that. It's going to cost $38.40. Good, good. All right, how many woven necklaces could you make for $120? Fill in the table to solve the problem. So if I know it's 16 for 38, I can use some of that knowledge, make that 40, so that would be times 3. So again, that would be about 48 necklaces, I think I'm going to be. So again, I took 38, rounded that to 40. That's $40. If I divide the 120 by 40, I get a set of like 3 sets of that, which that set is 16. Oh, this is getting uber complicated, I think. That'd be 48. So I'm going to be around 48 necklaces. If I'm looking at $2.40, I see 120. Those kind of relate to each other because the double of 120 is 240, and I think I can get to 240 pretty quickly here. So I think that's the route I'm going to take. It's always good to think about this stuff before you even start. You got to start thinking and planning before you start doing. Okay. So I'm going to try what? If I did 10, that would be 24. So to get to 200 would be, or 240 would be 100. So that'd be $240. And again, that's half, right? Half of 240 is 120. So I'm just going to divide by 2 to get 120. Oops, not $1.20, but $120. So that gives me 50, which was right around my estimate of 48, almost exactly. Okay. I'm going to move on to find 23 times 99 using the most efficient strategy you can. Show your work. Well, that's right next to 100, so I'm just going to do 23 times 100 equals, that shifts that number down 2 spots. So 2, instead of 2 tens, it would be hundreds, thousands, 2,000. Instead of ones, it would be tens, hundreds, 300. So 23 times 100 equals 2,300, and then I would just subtract a 23 from there, which would give me 76. 276. So 2,276. Find 2,323 divided by 23 using the most efficient strategy you can. Show your work. Well, if I look right back up here, I just did 23 times 99, which is 2,276. I know 100 is 2,300. Oh, 2,300. So I'm going to take out 2,300 divided by 23 equals 100. So if I take out 2,300 from 2,323, that leaves me with 23. And I know 23 divided by 23 equals 1. So 2,323 divided by 23 equals 101. So again, use everything you know. There is no trick to this. It's just kind of thinking through, trying to make the problem as easy as possible. Always thinking about those multiples of 10 to really make your life easy. And again, so reflect on your process. Look at your work. Where did you go wrong? Redo the work however you see fit, so you can get so you can show your expertise on it. Okay, and let me know if you have any questions. All right, bye guys.